Now I, with Head Madam permission, would like to invite our another very important and very lively speaker, who is Mr. Atul Kumar, who is a founder of Unique Institute of Behavioral Sciences. He runs his own business. He is engaged in clinical as well as workshop related areas. He is very much engaged in providing psychological informations, workshop, skill training, and training all the PG and under PG students in his clinic as well as in his setup. Dr. Atul will be sharing his experiences in the private setup of clinical psychology, and he will be sharing about how any individual in the area of clinical psychology can initiate one's own clinic, start one's own business, and what are the things which are very much important before joining.
Welcome you, sir.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Honorable VC Professor Alok Rai and HOD Madhurima ma'am and the Lalit sir for inviting me for this webinar. So, because we have limited time, so I'll just start with my brief introduction, and whatever question anybody has, they can ask. My topic is uh, career in psychology and business opportunity. So let me introduce myself first, and this is my pleasure to be here in this department because I have started my journey from Lucknow University only in 2000, in 1999. I have done graduation from Lucknow University only. So this is like kind of opportunity that I never want to miss. So thank you for inviting me. So I will talk about my experience because I belong to that place, and I am not talking about more uh, kind of you can say uh, academic things or something like that. I will talk about my experience and how like psychology is very helpful in our society and कैसे हम उसको लोगों तक पहुंचा सकते हैं because recently I have like I used to visit Lucknow and other places also in North India. So what happens is uh, there is lot of like confusion around students कि काम क्या करना है कैसे करना है all those things and the other thing is I have also been there. I have seen that all those things and I have experienced the same thing uh, when I was in our my graduation and post graduation in psychology. So वहाँ से शुरू करते हैं. So I will talk about my experiences. So my journey, because I have started my psychology career in 2001. So this is the picture that I have taken when I was going from Manali to Ladakh. So this is called as 21 Gata loops. Like there are number of loops. So I feel कि सारे लोगों का भी ऐसी like something like हमारी जर्नी कुछ ऐसी होती है because and when you there are lot of loops are there. So जब आप उसको चलते हैं then you feel a little bit dizzy and all, but when you see from up like helicopter view you see, then you realize that it is so beautiful. So that is why I've taken this picture. So it was like something like that. I belong to a very small place like near Lucknow, that is like district Hardoi, and place is Sandila. From there I was coming to Lucknow University for my graduation in like BA psychology, and I had psychology and social work and all. So and then I came to like Rohilkhand because I was Rohilkhand University because I was interested in clinical psychology. Then it like और ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट उसमें आया बिकॉज आई हैव बीन देयर इन लाइक हॉस्पिटल एंड ऑल एंड दैट इज़ वाई आई वेंट टू रोहिलखंड बिकॉज इन लखनऊ यूनिवर्सिटी आई don't have that kind of opportunity of internship and all. Then I went to IBHAS for my MPhil, and then professionally I have started my career, right? So uh, in my profession I have done jobs even after MA. I worked in a drug detection center in Bareilly, uh, that is Rohilkhand in UP. You all know that. And then I came to Delhi for like completing my MPhil in clinical psychology, and then again, like I have started my job in a private setup, and then I have joined as an assistant professor of clinical psychology in MPhil clinical psychology department MIT Noida, and where I have served like 4 years, and I have learned during this like professional and personal journey I have learned many things, uh, and I'm grateful that to that also. And then in 2011 I have started this unique psychological services. ये आइडिया जो आया मेरे दिमाग में वो यहाँ से आया बिकॉज आई फाउंड दैट कि देर आर लेस awareness in many places, even in psychology students and professionals, and there are limitation also there when you are working for someone else, so they have their own organization's goal and उनके अपने goals होते हैं. So somehow I felt uh, in early time only when I just started the job in 2009. I do 2007 I have started the job in Delhi. So soon I realized कि बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो की जा सकती हैं when you have a some free hand or something like that. So we have started unique psychological services in 2011, and me and my wife Gagandeep Kaur. So we have started this organization, and we start serving with. Then we have found, because initial in our training जब हम लोग psychology कर रहे थे, so somewhere I had that thing in my mind कि psychiatry में काम करना है, something like that. When gradually when I was like trained in Ibhas, so I have learned कि psychology is not only about psychiatry or like mental health issues. That is one part, but no, sorry, mental disorders only. We can do much more for the society. So we started working with schools, with general population actually. Though we had clinic, हमारे पास clinic है अभी भी, जब we run clinic and we have different kind of like patients or clients. So then we started focusing on different aspects of the psychology, because it is like when I was in Lucknow, then again when I went to Bareilly, then I went to Delhi, and धीरे धीरे जो आपका विज़न और आपका जो देखने का जो नज़रिया है वो बदलता है. And somehow still when I interact with the students there in Lucknow or some other places like that, two-tier cities, so I somehow I feel that is there, still that is there, and something like some guidance or something is needed there. So that kind of I can say, yeah, I can see myself there in when I meet students and all those. So then I have started. Then again, I am coming back to unique psychological. Then I started that, and we started working with NGOs. We started training like non-psychology people who are working with children, or police personnel who are working with these kind of issues. And we started working in the area of schools, NGOs, and we started training school teachers and even staffs also, like small things like nowadays we are training school staff in POXO Act and sexuality education that we have started. And then we have realized ki our like psychologists who have done like MS psychology or in different areas, and they are working in NGOs, they are working in schools, they are working everywhere, but somehow there is some lag जो कहीं ना कहीं हमारे क्वालिटी जो काम की क्वालिटी है इसको कम करता है, एंड somehow it is affecting our society also, so society and our profession, our field also, because if you are not delivering a proper thing to the society, then there may be a chance that आप लोग बोलें कि साइकोलॉजी और बोलते हैं सम टाइम यू वी ऑल हेयर कि आप लोग करते क्या है या कैसे करते हैं और या कोई फ़ायदा नहीं होता, सम टाइम वी स्टिल आई हियर दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग. सो कहीं ना कहीं वो दिमाग में चीज़ रही, सो वी स्टार्टेड ट्रेनिंग एंड ऑल. So in that thing only we started this unique institute of behavioral sciences in 2013, and we started training. And because we had clinic, so we started training and uh, the like internships and small skill based courses, because all theoretical part they learn in university and they know each and everything. The thing is that policing and the skill development that we started focusing on. So we started like internship. Usually we have noticed that कि जो interns हमारे जाते हैं, they only observe, there is no one to supervise. So what we have done is we hired clinical psychologists at our place and experienced psychologists. And we started supervising. That we have learned in like in MPhil. Though that level of training is not possible during the internship, but whatever we are able to do, we have started. We have dedicatedly we have hired the psychologists and clinical psychologists who has like trained our interns. So in 2 3 years of period only, when we started getting like good response from the students. And in summers we had like 200, sometime 150, 200 interns. So that was like a big number, and we were like a small organization, so we were not able to handle. So what we have done is we have associated with different NGOs because they need this kind of service and all. So we started training and supervising, and so that in different areas, because some psychologist who is working in with old age people, so we started training. We started training them to that area only, so that they can work properly in there. And we in our internships also we try to expose them to different areas like children, adult, geriatric, and any kind of problem that have, even like these cancer patients and all. So all those areas we expose them so that they can understand ki, uh, what kind of work we do. Because before that many times they don't know how to work, what kind of how we report, how we document all those things. So we started the small initiatives. It is not like we have started any big thing, but these small, because somehow I felt that these small things are more important than other things when you are serving this. Because if you are studying psychology, तो उसका कुछ बेनिफिट आपको सोसाइटी को होना चाहिए. दैट इज़ द बेसिक पर्पज ऑफ एजुकेशन. So like in initial years only, I realized कि वो गैप है कहीं कि in universities we do researches, we study, but there is some gap that we are not reaching to everyone, or the last sections of the society. So because we have a big population, we have different cultural uh, diversity is there. So that was in my mind. So that is why I left this academic thing, and even um, um, research and all. So I have more focused on these things, how to reach people, so that we can provide our services, because that will serve a benefit to society and to our field also. Because if we are able to show them that what we are doing, so they will accept us. Because that is also a big problem with us, because people when they they know that you are psychologist and you ask them, so they have, there are some stigma, we all know. So that we can that gap we can bridge. So the motto of our unique psychological services and unique institute of behavioral sciences is that, and on that basis only we are going forward. Then then we'll talk about for the students who are doing psychology, what is the scope. So sometime क्या बहुत बार ऐसे मेल्स एंड क्वेश्चंस व्हाट्सएप्स मेरे पास आते हैं कि साइकोलॉजी का स्कोप क्या है, सैलरी कितना मिलेगा, काम क्या होता है, ऑल दोस थिंग. इवन MA साइकोलॉजी स्टूडेंट्स जो अभी कर रहे हैं और दे आर कमिंग आउट, और समटाइम दे से वी डोंट हैव एनी जॉब और समथिंग लाइक दैट. So in these years, like 20 years, I can say, uh, 15 20 years, I have realized कि there is an immense scope. जो लोग काम कर रहे हैं उनको पता है ऑलरेडी, बट somehow जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं स्पेसिफिकली इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द दीज लाइक टू टियर सिटीज, सो वहाँ पे क्या है, दैट इज़ नॉट दैट मच, दे आर नॉट दैट मच अवेयर. एंड सो अगर स्कोप की बात करें तो स्कोप इज़ लाइक एवरीवेयर, बिकॉज साइकोलॉजी इज़ द थिंग कि अगर अगर आप देखोगे नाउ स्कूल्स एंड इवन CBSE ऑलरेडी डन, एंड ऑलमोस्ट ऑल जो आपके स्टेट बोर्ड्स हैं दे आर हायरिंग, एंड गवर्नमेंट इज ऑल्सो लाइक very much active, but there are certain gaps are there also. So schools are hiring, private schools are hiring. CBSE as one is like mandatory to hire MS psychology like psychologists for school children. And similarly लाइक डिफरेंट हॉस्पिटल्स एंड डिफरेंट जो प्रोजेक्ट्स चल रहे हैं गवर्नमेंट के, वहाँ पे रिसर्च प्रोजेक्ट्स एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स, एंड लाइक different ministries, they have number of posts for psychologists. And above all, like if you are a psychologist you can work independently also, like because there are a lot of need. Like even if you can take one area only, suppose you thought that you will work with only mental retardation, like mentally retarded people, so you can start from your own house also. That I have like experience, and many people I have seen, and I have started that, just like that only. So वहाँ पे अगर आप देखोगे, so you can like mental retardation, learning disability, autism, these are the cases सब कहीं हैं, and people need the services, they are willing to pay you, but we have to train yourself, you have to deliver something, then only people will like recognize you. So you have to be good in your work. So there are number of things, even in from villages you can start. I have seen many like such kind of initiatives people are doing, and government is also, if you are willing to do, then government is also providing funds and all, if you are you want to take. So स्कोप बहुत है, इवन जहाँ भी ह्यूमन बींग्स हैं वहाँ पे आपको साइकोलॉजी का स्कोप है. सो इवन ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस लाइक वी आर एसोसिएटेड विद डिफरेंट मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज ऑल्सो, our psychologists visit there and they take sessions also, one-to-one sessions, and they are taking different kind of uh, like group sessions they take, they give trainings also. So all these kind of things are there. Sometimes if we are not aware, so we miss the opportunity. So we can start like either it is a government job or it is a private thing, or you want to like work on your own. Everything is possible actually. So that is because you have to think and you have to observe, and you can see there is a lot of need, as I said. So everywhere it is not only limited. Sometimes we say it is limited to only metro cities like Delhi, Mumbai, and like Bangalore, Pune, etc. It is not like that. People are working in small towns, small cities also, and we have lot of like work there, right? So scope is immense. You have to be clear what you want to do. It is not like if you will take only one area, you can work. You can work in, मतलब इतना काम आपको मिलेगा because you will not able to sit like in your office. So but you have to be very focused in that area, and you have to be good with, in that area. So that is the thing, because I am not saying like theoretically or something, because we have done this. We have started and like single-handedly, and then now we have a team of 15-20 people who are working, and we are now we are having like offices at different places, so we can do like, and we can provide the service. And it is not only about business, that is the topic. It is about, because this is a different field. You cannot see it like just like a business, because you are serving people and you have to have like patience in that. So this is another thing that give you satisfaction, because when you are serving the society and people, uh, then it is a different like feeling and satisfaction that you will get, that is very rewarding than anything else. Then challenges and opportunity, definitely there are challenges, because still there is a stigma and there is different like you will face different kind of issues when you will work in that field, because sometimes people are not aware, sometime they are not that much educated, or something like something, anything that may come up, even society, when society is not accepting those things, like suppose, like few examples I will give, like when some time back we tried to open some residential facilities, so we have faced lot of problem, though that was not a successful attempt, but like people, like if you are opening something, so they will say कि यहाँ पे नहीं खोलना है, because these are like some kind of mental health issues is there, so अगर यहाँ पे कुछ residential facility खुलेगी, so like society people, they have reacted and all, so that kind of thing is there. So that kind of challenges you will face. Sometime you will face like there is uh, how you will manage finances, because paying capacity is not that much is there, so we have to find solutions. We will get the solutions, like we have, for one example, like there are NGOs or people who are working in the society for these different kind of mental health issues. So they don't have staff, so that who can cater all these psychological needs. So what we have done is we have trained our interns, and we send like our interns there. We trained specifically in that area, and some interns are also willing to like do volunteer work there. So उनका purpose solve हुआ, and then our purpose is also solved, because we are training interns and they are learning there under the supervision. It is not like कि वो कुछ भी कर रहे हैं. We have given supervisor there, like one clinical psychology we assigned to the group of these interns, and they are working there. So in that way we have to find out ways, whatever challenges we are facing, or we will face in any field. Maybe it is not only about psychology. I will in any area, if you will work, you will face some or other problem. So you have to face them, you have to find out the solutions, and you have to like make that problem, you have to see that problem as an opportunity to develop something new. The recent example that we have done is because of this COVID-19 lockdown, like our as we know, Sara OPD band hai, and there is no interns, because this is a high time when we get like 150 200 interns at ours, because we are not funded by anyone. We are private organizations, so we have to survive on our own financially. So at this point of time we have 150 to 200 like interns with us, but because of COVID-19 no one is there, right? So and all expenses and salaries we have to give. So so it was challenge, quite challenging. Still it is challenging actually. But what we have done is, because we were equipped with different kind of thing, and this is the situation we have to deal with. So we have started, this is what we converted it into the opportunity, and we have started converting our courses and all in online mode. So we have done like 5-10 courses we have already done online, and we are getting good response from the like students. And that is new thing we have discussed, though we were doing online classes and webinar earlier also, but because of this COVID-19 situation, our all staff who are working from the like home, and now then people are more open towards these online things, classes and webinars. So now we are running number of things online, and we have students, like we also run like these coaching programs for MPhil clinical psychology entrances, and coaching for like NET and these competitive exams. So and coaching for like from 11 12 to PhD, we have all kind of like classes that happens, like whatever supports if like someone wants, so we provide that online. That was earlier also, but now it is like we have learned those things, and now it is more like acceptable to the society and the students and the teachers also, because we have to learn, because there is no other choice. So we have converted number of, because in psychology we all know we cannot convert everything online, because that is a practical skill we require, that we are aware about, but whatever we can do, we should do. And we have given the opportunity, if they want to come after lockdown, they can come to us and they can learn the practical things at our clinic also. And we are now started collaborating with other people also, जो अलग अलग cities में हैं, so that all the things that can be done online we can do. But हाँ जी
अतुल सर,
जी जी जी
आप 5 मिनट के अंदर अगर
yes yes in 5 minutes I will complete. I will.
डॉक्टर मनोज इज ऑल्सो वेटिंग.
Okay, so in 5 minutes, in 2 minutes I will finish actually. So
जी,
this
जी,
is the
जी,
this is the
जी.
second last slide only. So
जी.
that things are there. So we have made this like challenge to opportunity, and all our associated with like Dr. Lalit, Dr. Manoj, they know what because I usually sometime I discuss all those things with them. So we have converted that things in. The only thing when you are working in this field or in a private setup, so you have to be open, remain open for ideas. It is not like I am psychologist, I will not do that thing, I will not go to the communities, I don't know how to use technology, I am not trained in that. You have to learn. I have learned, and many of us have learned. So, and think out of the box, how you can reach to the society, how can you reach to other people, and people are willing to pay. It is not like because we are surviving, on our own, and it is not like okay, we are not doing good, we are doing very good. That I can assure, even in COVID-19. When most of the things are affected, so we are affected, but not. It is not like we cannot go ahead. So reach to people who are in need, क्या need है, that you have to assess. And the basic thing is serve the society. If you will serve, you will get back. Not only the satisfaction, you will monetary, you will get. And the thing is keep walking. मतलब it is not like कि अगर आपको नहीं हो रहा है, sometime you will not get response. Many times different things we do and we don't get response. If you are passionate about your work, अगर आपको काम में मज़ा आता है अपने करने में, and you are open to ideas, you will get the things whatever you want, and overall this is the field where you will get the satisfaction also to serving the society. So with this I will end my this talk, and this is my email ID and website. You can visit at any time. If you have any query related to psychology, career in psychology, private or in private or government setup, or you have any kind of need or help, you are always welcome to write to us. We will respond you back surely, and you can visit our website also.
Thank you,
Thank you, Lalit sir,
very much for your very nice experience-based information you have shared with us. और मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि आपके लिए बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं हमारे पास. हमारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स ने क्वेश्चंस की बौछार लगा दी है आप लोगों के लिए, डॉक्टर नितिन के लिए, डॉक्टर अतुल के लिए.
कुछ क्वेश्चंस ललित we can handle, because there are so many questions which has been asked. Can we handle few questions?
तो अतुल सर और नितिन सर, पहले मैं अतुल सर को रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि कुछ चैट बॉक्स में जाके देख लीजिए. कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं, या मैडम हम एक काम करें, हम अपने स्पीकर्स जो पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं उनको माइक.
कुछ क्वेश्चंस आए हैं सर, कुछ क्वेश्चंस आए हैं हमारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स.
कुछ क्वेश्चन्स हम लोग पूछ सकते हैं, जैसे ये
सर एक क्वेश्चन है सर.
जी बोलिए.
हेलो.
हाँ, मेरे से
बताइए.
सर देयर इज अ क्वेश्चन फॉर डॉक्टर अतुल. So the question is, what are the opportunities in private sector, I mean in corporate sector? What are the opportunities for psychologists in corporate sector per se?
Okay. So corporate sector की अगर हम बात करते हैं, तो there are number of opportunities, like all private hospitals now they are hiring in different, not only in psychiatry. Sometimes we only जो हमारा कई बार एटीट्यूड होता है, क्या होता है कि साइकेट्री में काम करना है, राइट? सो नॉट ओनली वहाँ तो है ज़रूरत, वहाँ पे हम लोग काम करते हैं, बट देयर नंबर ऑफ अदर डिपार्टमेंट्स लाइक पीडियाट्रिक डिपार्टमेंट्स, लाइक oncology departments, and everywhere they need psychologists, and they are now becoming more aware, and now they are hiring. So there, you in private setup you have one opportunities. In organizations, like if you are from organizational psychology background, you can go for, like, there are number of like all multinational, actually they need psychologists, or like full time or part time, they need psychologists, they hire them. And there are number of companies that we call EAPs, like employee assistance program, they also hire psychologists on like freelance basis, sometimes full time also they launch. They so if you talk about organizational level, schools are the like very good place. They are hiring number of psychologists, because that is mandatory. Though in state boards some they are not hiring, and sometimes there are some government like financial issues also, they are not able to hire there are a number of things. But there are n number of opportunities in different places, इन प्राइवेट सेक्टर्स की अगर हम बात करें. सो स्कूल सबसे बड़ा है, स्कूल्स हैं, प्राइवेट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं, प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल्स हैं, दे आर हायरिंग. बट अगेन द थिंग इज यू हैव टू ट्रेन योर सेल्फ. It is not like that you have done MA and you will go and they will hire. So you have to show that what you are going to do, what you know, that is the important. And so there is no, because मेरे पास जितने भी interns आते हैं, I have seen most of them are like who are willing to work, they get job. It may take time, the start कहाँ से होगा, that may differ, so that may be there, but it is not, but there are number of opportunities.
Okay, so is there any specific degree which is required for joining any multinational company as psychologist? Because we are aware about MPhil clinical psychology, so if one pursues MPhil in clinical psychology, he gets posting in hospitals, or he works as a clinical psychologist privately, or with any other organization. But is there any specific degree for becoming an industrial psychologist or a personal psychologist if the person is willing to work in multinational company?
As far as I know, the only thing is MA in industrial or organizational psychology you need, and further you have to train yourself, like for as for like whatever assessment that is required in organizational setup, and whatever that training, because as far as I know, there is no formal kind of training is there except this MA in organizational and industrial psychology. You have to train yourself, like different testing, like लोग MBTI में अपने आप को train करते हैं, because sometimes they are not these kind of tests. I am only for reference, I am naming the test, but there are number of other things. So depending, because it is like what kind of industry you are working, what kind of need is there, so accordingly you have to learn, you have to like train yourself. So and sometimes there are number of my student also, like, because and they are not doing anything, they are only training there, like on different issues like soft skills, and sometimes like stress management, drug addiction, relationship issues. So on that they are doing workshops and training programs there in the organizations, these kind of multinational organizations, and they pay good amount, like whatever you depending on your skills, you will like be paid also similarly, either it is full time or part time.
Thank you, sir.
So